Dito kami sa London.
And you know the palabok?
It's my son
There's like a platter.
and the
So
husband.
good for 4 to 5 person. We ordered that. If me and mom would finish it.
Shell kami. Gonna see the Christmas lights in London.
You know,
No, I think I'm lost.
why the music so good?
I thought
Search first.
I thought this was it. Yeah. That's the lights now. Where is it?
I was following you.
Ah. Where is it? I don't know. I thought that was that one. Where? Straight ahead or
Back when you
back there? Where? Is it on the other way?
It's once we walk down, we'll recognize it.
Yeah, I thought I recognized it. I thought I recognized it. Where? Sorry. See? Oh, ang ganda ng ano, oh. Pedicab. Pedicab in London. Dapat ganun sa Philippines, no? And then, Jai, we rode the tuk-tuk in Manila.
That's what it's called.
It looks like a tuk-tuk from Thailand, but it's called tricycle.
Yeah.
And then it went like head on with the jeep, yes. And I was like, oh my god, I was so scared. And we're looking at the Christmas lights. Hi. Mag-Jollibee kami. Pero sa Philippines, once lang kami nag-Jollibee. Kasi, yun nga, nag-Jollibee naman kami dito sa UK. So, parang nagpalabok lang ako. Theatrical masterpiece. Theater. Oh, theater. So, this is St. Martin Lane, Martin's Lane. Akala mo naman alam kung nasaan. Yeah. We've come pick up my son from uni. Mangyak-yak naman ng baby ko.
Yeah, you know your friends in King Edward. When it's out, the next I get money. Go to the country again. With your friends.
Flourish Cafe. You can stay at our place.
Our place in Thailand.
No, in Philippines. So, you can ask them. You go on off-peak times, off-peak season. Huh? Is it not this one?
Why is it saying I'm walking down here when I'm looking at the same time?
It doesn't look that it's like it's in here now.
Messing me up.
Yeah, it's not like here. Oo nga, parang hindi ito ay.
Why we walk this down?
This is, it's not this one, ano.
Yeah.
I think we're going on the opposite. I think that's Trafalgar Square now.
Yeah. It's because my GPS.
Yeah.
Maybe your dad is not working, yeah. No.
Have a look, Dad.
If we carry on walking,
Yeah.
we'll come after.
Just walk around? Okay. Let's go.
Look at my GPS. sake of looking at the building right now, my phone is working.
I told you to get a new one.
I don't need it.
But it's messing up your GPS. Oop, 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 oop. Masagasaan pa ang lola nyo. Puntahan namin ng mga Christmas lights sa London. Yan. Oh, ayan. Saan kaya kami? National... What is that? Where are they now? Ayan, dalawang aso. We go around here? Second? Oh, that's nice. Oh.
Dito tayo sa kabilaan.
Tawid.
Dali, naka-green. Ang green dyan yung mga sasakyan. Mom is looking for the traffic light. So if it's green, she's going as well.
Look
Green?
right. Look left.
Then,
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
I always show them the mom's Facebook. Because whenever you post me, it's funny.
Really?
Who's friend? Everyone.
National Portrait Gallery, that one is. Uh-huh.
I think this is where I dropped you before.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so that way then.
This is why I'm not so busy.
Yeah.
Remember, I dropped you here before. And then, yeah.
Went around to get a parking.
I don't have anything to park here. So drop you here and then keep on driving around and around. Now you can
Ang ganda ng mga Christmas decors ngayon. O, diba? Parang Home Alone. Ang ganda. Napaka-lively. Yan yung mag-Jollibee ang mga Pinoy. It's just around the corner. Nagpaikot-ikot na kami. Naligaw-ligaw na. We're gonna go order our food. Skate, Leicester Square. Do you wanna go skating, babe? Do you wanna go skating, babe? No? Oh, okay. Not right now. Saan ka pa kundi sa Jollibee lang? Sana meron pa. 10:30 na ay 9:30 na. Kain dito sa loob. Jollibee ay Jollibee. What is it? Push or pull? Hilahin. Pag.
Give me a beer.
Burgers. Spaghetti. Where are the chicken?
Mataas.
This one, chicken good. How many pieces?
all the pieces.
8
Wait, do you have the air
pieces.
fryer at home?
Ay?
Do you have an air fryer at home?
Which one?
What? We don't have an air fryer.
No.
Oh,
It's 8
I'll take
pieces.
it from my flat then.
8 pieces na.
Why? Because we don't have one at home.
8 pieces na. 8 pieces. 8 pieces
Let's
siya.
take the air fryer.
Small gravy.
Wait, no,
All of
let's
it.
get max pieces. The most pieces.
Yeah, 8 pieces na sa
Wait,
max.
didn't it used to be higher?
Yeah, no more. That's the maximum now. We can get 2 if you want.
Ooh.
Yeah?
Paano pang ano, yung
Yeah,
mango
That
pie?
one. Yeah.
Wait. No.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Sriracha mayonnaise.
nah.
Buttermilk crunch. Okay. This one. And then we'll get one here as well. Do you like spaghetti? Or you get one? Daddy spaghetti? 2. I don't want spaghetti. Oh, peach mango pie. We'll get this one. And I think
Wait,
3.
but it's less. It's
Yeah.
more expensive per piece.
So you want another
get
another
another
one, another 8. Okay, and then one of that.
Nah, it's great.
All gravy. Add to order. So we have that one, peach mango pie or
4.99 tatlo.
pies to go.
Bakit di ka makakapili ng ano?
I don't know which one is that.
Mango lang yan?
I don't know if it's mango. I don't know. I don't know that
Well,
one.
let's find out. Maybe we can customize it.
Confirm.
Can you not customize it? I don't know what flavor it is.
Exactly. I don't know. I don't know.
This is yours.
Huh? So that's it? Yeah?
Isa lang kasi peach mango pie lang naman ang available.
Let's just
I
get
don't
one.
know. Why?
So expensive.
No, it's okay. We're gonna bring it home anyway.
Okay, we'll only bring it home if we bring home the air fryer as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Then it's not gonna be crispy if we don't have the air fryer.
Okay. We'll take it. Anyway, we're near. We
Yeah,
park
we're
near
still
anyway.
parked.
Yeah. So
Wow, yun.
okay. That's it.
Okay na. Para ano na tayo, kuha ng number.
Wait.
Oh my God. What?
I saw a burger steak. Is that good or not?
Oh, you know, yung ano-anahan, yung may rice, wala sila dito, yung may rice na.
Na ano?
You remember? Go back.
Asian tender.
You remember yung pag when you order 6 pieces, may kasama ng rice, peach
Pwede
mango.
ba tayo ano?
Have a look.
Kasi spaghetti yan.
Ato
Ano
share,
ba pinili?
yan, dito, share meals. Ito
Kasi may
pala,
spaghetti
yeah,
na
this
siya eh.
one is got spaghetti. We're gonna cancel that one. Okay. Ay, sana
It comes with pies as well.
yeah. Okay? Let's share our meals pala yun. So this one, anak,
6 lang ang meron sila.
you have this, 6 pieces. You have your peach mango pie, you have rice as well, and spaghetti. And then we're gonna add another, so spaghetti, pies, modify.
Is this more worth it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drink, what drink you want?
I'll have pineapple juice. You want?
Zero Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi Max. That's it. Okay. Sauce. 3 options. Okay. So, select your
Ubi ko
your peach.
Oh, what the hell?
1. Okay, 3.
Go on as well.
Yeah.
3 pies. Oh, that comes with it? Or
Yeah,
you
that's
have to
it
choose?
comes with it. You have to choose. Okay.
coconut.
Okay, yeah, yeah, you can have it. You can have mine. Okay, and then you can add more. So we're gonna add 6 pieces, or
Nah.
are
2
you?
pieces of chicken each, that's fine, right? Unless if you want more.
Yeah, but to take home, you want to take home?
Nah.
Okay, that's it. So
May
that
drinks,
is
right?
only 2 pieces each of ano. Yeah, with drinks and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want the 6 pieces additional, just in case? Yeah, shall we?
Let's get 8 pieces then. If we're just gonna get just a bucket.
Where, this one?
Go back and we can choose specifically.
Okay. Your dessert, this one? Oh,
We
yeah.
already got.
No, the ube thingy, the ube sundae, you don't like? Okay. Han,
Ay, counter o dito na?
contactless.
So hide the thing, hide the thing.
Eh?
Yo, they saw all the card details.
Did they?
Saw all the card details in the video.
Ano yung, no one is looking at? Ano yung order number? Nandito